Jaanu Upnaha. In Ayurveda, Jaanu Upnaha involves applying a Vata-pacifying herbal paste to the knee joints after oleation and sudation. Transitioning to a supine position with elevated knees, we set the stage for the application of a specially prepared herbal paste. The heart of Jaanu Upnaha lies in the application of a warmed herbal paste, crafted from Vata-pacifying herbs, enveloping the knee joints in therapeutic warmth. To enhance the paste's efficacy, a large gauge piece supports and acts as a barrier, facilitating the herbal goodness to seep into the knee joint. Long strips of linen cloth secure the treated area, sustaining therapeutic warmth. Our journey begins with oleation, where specific herbal oils nurture the knee joint, preparing it for the transformative steps that follow. Janu correlates with the knee joint, and Upnaha is a form of sudation therapy. Sudation takes the spotlight, a therapeutic process that purifies the body, creating a clean slate for the targeted knee joint treatment. This ancient practice aims to restore balance and promote well-being through targeted knee joint care. As our exploration concludes, witness a harmonious balance being restored to the knee joint. Rooted in Ayurvedic principles, Janu Upnaha embodies a holistic approach to wellness, a timeless tradition fostering optimal well-being. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Your support means the world to us.